asset managers challenged with uncertain system downtime, unprecedented risk and unplanned failure of asset performances. Did you know that there is a single solution to optimize your end-to-end asset lifecycles? Adopt Tigernic's Predictive to meet the best level of asset management and risk mitigation levels in your asset-dependent company. This solution is developed to ensure constant reliability on assets, gain predictive advantages, cut down asset-centric spending and have futuristic investment and asset deployment plans. Utilise condition-based degradation curves, maintenance service availability models, visualized asset criticality models, risk controlling and budgeting tools powered by predictive technology and more. Tigernic's Predictive unlocks site-wide views on your asset spreads, generates insights for future-proof asset decisions and helps your asset-dependent operations streamline unceasingly. Connect with Tigernic's to share your concerns or to book a free demo of this solution by mailing us at info@tigernics.com. Meet the future of your asset management efforts today with Tigernic's Predictive.